Did you know that in the state of New York, you can get free long-term care at home, meaning you never have to go into a nursing home? I'm Micek, an estate planning and elder law attorney, and I help people protect their assets so that they can pass their estate to their family and not to the nursing home. As you get older, your medical bills become more expensive over time. In addition, over 70% of us need long-term care in our older years to assist us. When that happens, your assets and everything you work so hard for become at risk. That's where elder law comes into play. As an elder law attorney, I can help you protect your assets and everything you've worked so hard for so that you can hold on to them for your whole life and then pass them on to your loved ones without any losses. New York is one of only 2 states where the laws are greatly in your favor. You have the choice here of being cared for in your own home for free. But the problem is that elder law is complex. Fortunately, we can help you get protected with simple solutions. My family went through these issues with my aging mother, who in her 80s had many physical problems and also developed dementia. It was then that I learned about the benefits of community Medicaid. The aides that cared for my mother were wonderful. Over the last 25 years, I've helped people plan their estates. But ever since my mother passed away about 15 years ago, my firm also started concentrating on elder law after my firsthand experience with these issues. You see, as my mother was approaching her older years, our goal was to keep her out of the nursing home. Nobody wants to spend their final years in a nursing home, but for many families it's difficult because somebody has to care for your parents. Sometimes that might mean full-time or part-time, but that takes away from that individual's ability to earn a living. It can become draining on the family, and the need for paying for long-term care out of pocket is very expensive and can easily eat up all of the family's assets. In the state of New York, you can qualify for free long-term care with experienced home health care aides to take care of you or your loved one in your own home. In my case, when I was dealing with my mother's situation, I researched all the available options, from adult daycare to assisted living to you name it. But the best option for us was what I discovered in community Medicaid. As our elderly population grows, it's only a matter of time until you or someone close to you is in the same position that my family and I were in. Number 1, they can be in the position of having to move into a nursing home. Number 2, you and your family will be in the position of having to care for them yourselves. Or number 3, they can get free long-term care in the home they love. The reason we wanted my mom at home is because we knew that statistically people live a lot longer when they're cared for at home than when they're in a nursing home. Planning people's estates and protecting their assets is more than a job to me. It's my mission. And that's why today we help people protect their assets ahead of time before it's too late. Look, nobody wants to talk about or think about dying or incapacity or moving into a nursing home, but it's a reality of life. And like anything else in life, you're better protected when you're prepared. If you or someone you know or love is approaching their elder years and they want to know what all their options are, schedule a free consultation and let me help.